This process will transform your soil into a thriving paradise for soil microorganisms, making it perfect for plant growth. Imagine having rich, fertile soil where your plants can easily absorb nutrients, grow stronger, and flourish without needing constant attention. By following these simple steps, you'll create the ideal environment for beneficial microorganisms to thrive, which in turn benefits your plants. We'll start by loosening the soil. If your soil is compacted, a shovel will do the trick. This is an important step because compacted soil doesn't allow roots to grow freely, and it prevents air and water from reaching deep into the ground. By loosening it up, you're opening the soil to breathe, allowing nutrients, water, and roots to move more easily. Next, we sprinkle bone meal on top of the loosened soil. Bone meal is a fantastic amendment for your garden because it's packed with phosphorus and calcium, which are essential for plant health. Phosphorus helps plants grow strong roots, making them more stable and better at absorbing nutrients. Now, let's add neem cake powder. This amendment does wonders for the soil because it not only adds organic matter, but it also helps in keeping harmful pests away. Neem cake has natural insecticidal properties, protecting your plants from soil-borne pests like root knot nematodes. Plus, it slowly releases nutrients into the soil, making it a long-lasting source of nourishment for your plants. Now for the magic ingredient, charcoal. Charcoal is incredible because it has a porous structure, which means it's full of tiny spaces, or rooms, that can house microorganisms. These spaces provide a perfect habitat for beneficial bacteria and fungi, which are vital for breaking down organic matter and making nutrients available to your plants. But we need to crush the charcoal into fine pieces first, so it can mix easily with the soil. The smaller the pieces, the better it will blend and work its magic. Once you've crushed the charcoal, sprinkle it evenly on top of the soil amendments. However, the charcoal isn't activated yet, meaning it won't immediately start hosting all that beneficial microbial life. To activate the charcoal, we need to cover it with a layer of compost or manure. We're using partially decomposed manure in this process, but fully decomposed manure is even better if you have it available. Compost or manure provides a rich source of nutrients that will activate the charcoal, turning it into a microbial hotspot. After adding the manure, mix everything together thoroughly with your shovel and level the soil. This ensures that all the amendments are distributed evenly, creating a uniform soil structure that's rich in nutrients and ready to support plant growth. To finish, we'll give the soil a good watering. This is key to activating the charcoal and helping the manure decompose fully. You'll want to keep the soil moist, not soaking wet, for at least 7 days before planting anything. During this time, the charcoal will become a home for countless beneficial microorganisms, and the manure will finish breaking down, making even more nutrients available for your plants. Once this process is complete, your soil will be a powerhouse of microbial activity, holding onto moisture and nutrients in a way that will benefit your plants for years to come. You'll have healthy, strong plants growing in soil that almost takes care of itself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on creating the perfect garden soil and other amazing gardening techniques.